In our Chapter 1 video, we highlighted that our inserts come in different optical clarities to support various experiments. In Chapter 2, we will share tips on how to image on our clear versus our translucent membrane. Most pore sizes are offered in a high and low pore density option. A low pore density membrane is optically clear, while a high pore density membrane is translucent. To process inserts for imaging, the first step is to prepare the membrane with a standard fixative solution for tissue processing. We will be using 4% paraformaldehyde and incubating at room temperature for 15 minutes. Then, gently wash the membrane 3 times with a standard salt solution such as PBS. Then, permeabilize the cells with a standard permeabilization solution. We will be using 0.1% Triton X-100 with BSA for 15 minutes at room temperature. You can process the cells directly within the inserts with antibodies, small molecule fluorophores, or probes. Here is where the optical clarity of your membrane will determine the next step. For translucent membrane to further post-process, you will need to excise the membrane from the housing. Flip the insert upside down and using a number 11 blade, carefully excise the membrane. You can use a pipette tip to help stabilize the membrane. Gently use a forceps to grasp the membrane. Ensure you keep in mind the side where the cells are. That surface will look rougher. Place the membrane, cell side facing up, on the glass slide. Add mounting solution and a cover slip. Alternatively, with clear inserts, you can perform fluorescent imaging directly. For the highest quality image, you can reduce the working distance by placing the insert in a larger well format or glass plate. Please refer to our next video for key applications with the Millicell hanging insert. For more information, please contact your account manager or visit our website.